I'm Vanessa Joy. Let's head out on a night shoot, and I'm bringing along with me my brand new Peakdesign carbon fiber travel tripod. So we're gonna go do a night shot. In order to do that, I wanna have a really low ISO, probably a high aperture, and what does that mean? A low shutter speed. So I need a tripod. Now, first of all, I hate tripods. I hate them. I hate carrying them with me. I hate that they're cumbersome, but this one, because it's carbon fiber based and it's meant to be a travel tripod, is just lighter, more compact, and has some really cool features to it. It's got the anchor on the bottom, so I can weight it if I want to, or I can hang my camera from it and take pictures, directly down. We have 4 open points, so it really spreads out and we can get pretty tall with it. I really like how this unlocks on top, and to remove the plate, you just press one little button and it's off. This right here is your head. And then right here, just by loosening this is your ball head. So it's really compact, really flat, very smooth, easy to set, and go from there. And then here's your phone mount. So you just plop it into your phone, but sometimes we just want to do a selfie. So pretty nice, compact, again, just right in there. So let's get this plate on the bottom of my camera. So you can just pop this out, and this is your tool for screwing it in. Never lose another thing again. Done. So let's pack this up and get shooting. Yeah, I figure I'll see what I can get like right here. I might have to do this vertically, and then I'll go over to the clock tower. With all that's going on, there are unique things that companies can do to make an impact beyond, just ensuring people's health and safety of all their employees, but they also can help monetarily by using some of the profits from the designs that they make to help globally. Peakdesign has decided to do both of those things. From April 7th to April 10th, every single cent of the profits from these Peakdesign travel tripods, whether they're bought online or through a retailer like Adorama, are going to be donated to combating climate change and supporting the relief efforts for COVID-19. So my goal here is to just get one shot straight in camera with as high of an aperture and as low as a shutter speed. So that looks pretty good there. So I'm all the way up at f/22. At 30th of a second, I am going to go into timer so that I can press the shutter button and not shake the camera as it starts taking a picture. All right, looking good. We got some blown out spots, so I'm just going to go down on my shutter speed. All right, I like what I got here. I want to go photograph the clock tower real quick. I've really always loved this clock tower. It just reminds me of Back to the Future, so I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna photograph it. So again, I'm gonna do the mid-range shot first with the 30. Let's go to, that's probably about right for my highlights. So let's go there for my highlights, 10. And then we'll do another one at, for like the mid-range is at 30, and then we'll end up bumping up to about 400 like I did before for this, and then that'll be the blued down one. Composition. All right, 30 seconds, here we go. That's shot 1. This is the longest 30 seconds of my life. Go! All right, so this was for my sky. This was for my midtones, and looks, the streaks of the card came in, which is awesome. I'll play that up, and then this was for my highlights. So, and these are the ones from before. So let's pull this together in Photoshop and see what we got. So overall, this travel tripod, carbon fiber travel tripod by Peakdesign, was pretty great, pretty stealthy for what we're doing. It's just nice to feel good about a company that cares about the environment and, you know, the pandemic that's going on right now. So you can grab this. It's launching April 7th, and for the next 4 days, remember, they're donating 100% of their profits to supporting the fight against COVID-19 as well as combating climate change. So I'm Vanessa Joy. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you like the photos and our little adventure here. Stay safe.